I think I've started my entire YouTube journey just to make this one video. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to find your personal style and build a closet that you will love waking up to every day, and you love like creating outfits out of it. You'll feel creatively inspired whenever you stand in front of your closet and not feel like drained. Now I will divide this video into three parts. In the first part, we'll talk about how to find your personal style. In the second part, we're going to talk about what to do after you found your personal style. In the third part, I'll give you some general tips and tricks. So let's start. Now, before starting anything, what's the first step we do? We research, and that is the first step even in finding your personal style. So you have to research the heck out of it, and the best platforms that I would suggest are definitely Pinterest and Instagram. Pinterest literally has everything. It's a visual platform where you can find inspirations via pictures or videos. So yeah, first thing you have to do is you have to open Pinterest and search a handful of keywords there. Search keywords like maybe trendy outfits, style, fashion, styling, chic outfits, fashion, like any keyword related to fashion. Just search that on Pinterest and you'll see a lot of beautiful clothing options. Like you'll see people wearing different kinds of outfits. So just pin the outfits that you like, create a board, like maybe name that board my style or something, or my favorites, a personal style, and उसमें वो सारे outfits pin करके रखो उस board में. And well, I will say once again, research the heck out of it. Now when you're satisfied with your research work, which obviously will vary from person to person, stop and examine your board. Now that is the second step. You need to just go through a board, and there are a few questions that you have to answer. First of all, write down the overall vibe of the board. What was the general pattern that you could see throughout the board? Maybe you liked more neutral outfits, or maybe it was more like paisley colorful outfits, or boho outfits, or Indo-Western kind of outfits. Secondly, what are the most dominant colors you could see throughout those outfits? So obviously there will be like certain color palette or color scheme that you'll find dominant. Next question is, again, you have to examine the entire board and see what was the most dominant style on your board. Like whether they were more like minimal style outfits, या फिर street style वाले ज़्यादा थे, or you're more into neutral pieces like just jeans, t-shirt, इस type के outfits हैं. Like obviously you don't have to stick to just one style, but इतने सारे styles में थे, what are the handful of styles that you personally resonated with the most? Just write that down. Also notice one more thing, whether you were attracted to more printed items or more solid colored ones. Like I personally am more of a solid color item person. I prefer buying mostly solid color pieces and some printed pieces here and there. Now these are some basic questions, and then you have to answer some advanced questions as well. So the first one is, what kind of fabrics did you see most common in your board? Like किसी को ज़्यादा satiny fabrics, किसी को थोड़ा सा cotton, linen वाले fabrics पसंद आ सकते हैं, किसी को थोड़ा सा structured, like denim और इस type के fabric पसंद आ सकते हैं. तो you need to see कि कौन से fabrics आपको ज़्यादा पसंद आए हैं. And adding on to this, you also need to see what kind of silhouette or fit were you most attracted to. So some people really like wearing oversized, loose, baggy fits or silhouettes, and someone might like very structured clothes that hug their body. So the third question, like the third advanced question that you have to answer is, what kind of clothing pieces did you like the most? तो आपका जो भी board होगा उसमें कुछ like there would be a handful of clothing pieces which you'll see in most of the outfits. Someone might like jeans, t-shirts, इस type के clothing pieces more. Some of you can be more inclined towards maybe shorts or skirts or dresses. Again, even in this point, you don't have to stick to just one or two clothing pieces. आपको जितने clothing pieces पसंद आ रहे हैं, just write all of them down. There are no right answers in these questions. Now the final question, this might not come across as easily to you. इसको ढूंढने में थोड़ा सा time, थोड़ी difficulty हो सकती है. But you need to see what kind of brands are you inclined towards the most. Like for my style, I think personally मुझे H&M, Outright, Zara, इनका जो collection है, इनका जो style होता है, इनका जो clothing पीसेस होते हैं मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आता है। सिमिलरली आपके लिए कौन से सब ब्रांड्स हैं विच यू आर रेजोनेटिंग विद द मोस्ट और जिसका कलेक्शन आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आता है? एंड व्हेनेवर यू आर इन मूड ऑफ शॉपिंग या फिर यू नीड समथिंग, you can just go to these brands and check their collection and buy things for you. इससे आपका टाइम भी बचेगा. This is a very efficient method of shopping as well. So now I think after answering all these questions, you'll definitely have a very strong sense of what your personal style is, what are the clothing pieces that you resonate with the most. So I think I will describe my style as definitely chic, minimal, with pops of color here and there, and it has to be comfy. So after you found your personal style, what to do, how to go about it? So first of all, what you have to do is just go and stand in front of your closet, see पूरा देखो closet को, and just do a declutter. Obviously I'm not saying कि इसे पूरा massive सा declutter करो, सब फेंक दो और सब कुछ नया लो, no, nothing like that. But there might be some pieces जो कि बिल्कुल आपके personal style से match नहीं करेंगे. And now since you have an idea of what your personal style is, you can just like give away those pieces to maybe your house helps, or you can donate them या फिर thrifting कर लो. Like you can do whatever you want, just don't throw them away ऐसे ही. Now I think at this point you'll have a closet full of pieces which you resonate with, your style resonates with, and आपको outfits create करने में already बहुत मजा आएगा. Like believe me, all that cribbing that we go through ऐसे closet से हमने खड़े होके सोचने कि मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है पहनने को, and that is actually very draining for you. मतलब I have personally been through that a lot, so I know कि last तक कितना irritation हो जाती है, कितनी frustration हो जाती है, and then you don't want to like style anything. फिर तो ये कुछ भी पहन के कहीं भी चले जाओ. So I think वो चीज़ तो बहुत कम हो जाएगी after you do all these steps, because now you are aware of your style. Now next, whenever you're shopping for new pieces, keep most of these points in mind, especially if they're expensive pieces. तो बहुत ध्यान दो कि whether you like they'll go with multiple pieces, whether it goes with your personal style. You know what's the biggest advantage of finding your personal style? Now you won't be running after every trend trying to try it, and that is what I always preach here. Please don't go running after all the trends. Don't just मतलब FOMO मत feel करो कि everyone is trying a certain trend and you're not, because अगर आपको अपना personal style पता है, you know कि if that trend resonates with your style or not. If it does, invest in it. If it doesn't, let it go. So that is the final point. Invest in basics and not just trendy pieces. If you ever recreate any outfit that any creator or model or fashion icon is wearing, make sure that you always add your own touch to an outfit. And I think that is the epitome of personal style. That is when you reach like the heights of personal style, when you know कि आपके ऐसे कुछ like there are specific quirks that belong to you, or जो that just brings out you in an outfit. Secondly, be confident in whatever you're wearing. Although obviously by the time you find your personal style, you already know what looks good on you. You're not just wearing something जो आपने किसी और के ऊपर देखा और आपने बस खरीद के पहन लिया and you don't feel good on it, because you're just buying pieces that resonate with you and your body type and your style and everything. So already आपके अंदर काफ़ी confidence आ चुका होगा for sure. But then always make sure that even if you're wearing something जो कि आपको उतना समझ नहीं आ रहा कि whether it's looking good on you or not, you rock it with confidence, and believe me, वो outfit मतलब it will just shine if you wear it with confidence. So always remember girls, confidence is the key to take your outfit from here to here. Does not matter what brand you're wearing, does not matter what kind of clothing you're wearing, does not matter how you have styled it. If you're wearing the most basic pieces with confidence ना, आपका outfit like यहाँ पे लगेगा. So make sure that you're always confident in whatever you're wearing. Now I want to repeat a point which actually I've talked about recently in another video. So I did this video where I talked about some shopping mistakes that you should quit to make good financial decisions, and उसमें मैंने एक point बोला था specifically which I want to repeat here as well, because I think it goes really well with this video. So do not just go or run after what your favorite model or fashion icon or influencer or content creator is wearing. Since you are like continuously evolving in life, your style is also evolving. So अगर there is something that you like maybe a couple of years back that you don't like anymore, don't hold on to it. Obviously give rewards of booking, you can just like give out those things to someone who actually needs them, or to your family who will use it, instead of it just lying in the back of your closet. I personally know कि 2 साल पहले मेरा स्टाइल कुछ और था, आज मेरा स्टाइल काफी बदल गया है. I know after a few years it will continuously evolve, so you need to remember that. Now finally, the final point of this video, one of the most important point of this video is, whatever you're wearing, wear it with a smile. Wear it with a huge smile on your face, and you'll like your entire outfit, your look, you will instantly look 10 times more beautiful, 10 times prettier, 10 times sexier, 10 times hotter. So girls, remember, whatever you're wearing, wear it with a huge smile. If there's any point that you like want to add on to, if there are some tips or tricks from your side that you think others will find helpful, tell us in the comments. And I'm feeling extremely thirsty now, so I should leave. Like करना, comment करना, subscribe करना. Please share my channel with your friends if you can, and ask them to subscribe. I want our family to grow bigger and better. All the outfit details of whatever I'm wearing will be there in the description bar, so do not forget to check it out. And that's it. Bye. Love you.